Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in my bathroom. New location, yes. Okay, so today I'm in my bathroom, the one downstairs, and yeah, today I was like, you know what, I should color my hair. I bought this color about a month ago, and I was just thinking, like, should I color my hair? Should I grow out my hair? Should I cut my hair? Like, I just been thinking about what am I gonna do next with my hair. As you can see, it is definitely grown out. If you watch my previous videos and you were part of the Tinaboingz fam, but if you didn't watch those videos and see that my hair was lower than this, it was. I had a Caesar cut, and I had like the whole waves thing going on, like a girl with waves. I thought that was real cute. So, yeah, so I want to color my hair. This color is Berry Burgundy, and it's by Dark and Lovely. So, yeah, let's give her a whirl. Okay, so before we start with the color, if you have long hair, they advise you to part your hair in 4 sections and, you know, color each section like that. But since my hair is very short, all I have to do is just, ooh, girl, comb it out. I washed my hair the other day just for the purpose of this video. I didn't put nothing on it, so it is dry, all right? Ooh, honey. I can't believe I'm coloring my own hair. Shit. Or maybe I should have combed my hair yesterday. I just left out the house with a hat on. It's so cold in New York. Like, every day I leave the house bundled up. Unless it's nighttime, because if it's nighttime, there's no rules. Baby. You want to get all those kinks out because you want to make sure your color goes in evenly. Another tip that I like to give people when they're coloring their own hair especially is to put on a shirt that they don't really care about. I don't care about this shirt. I don't want to go to this gym anymore. I am a blink baby now. Okay, so my hair is all combed out. Got a little bigger. I can't wait till my hair be like fully grown out. Ooh, I'm excited. You're gonna grab your cream developer and open it. Then grab your fade resistant color. Oops. And we're gonna pour this into here. Okay. Apply the cap back on, and please shake all the ingredients up. This is very important. You do not want raw developer on your head. Will burn you like a no-lie perm. So you just want to shake until it's all mixed up. Add some music. Ooh, you already see red. Oh, I'm so scared. This is like the longest I haven't colored my hair, so I should have actually got a bowl. So I also have a little brush, and I'm gonna use my comb as well. We're gonna go like back and forth. I'm gonna do like a little brush comb method. So let's get started. So I'm gonna set my timer for 30 minutes because I have natural hair, but if you have processed hair, they said do it for 20 minutes. So once you get done working it in, that's when I normally start my timer because, you know, the process here is different. I'm rambling because I'm scared. So let me just go. First drop. Ooh, shop. I don't know. All right, let's go. I just feel like putting it like all over. Like, I don't even know how to put this on. I'm gonna start from front to back. Yeah, this is the type of method I'm using. Just like put it, and then I'm gonna comb through to make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed in my head. If you do have longer hair, I remember the last time my sister did one of these colors on me, I had to use 2 bottles. So keep that in mind. All right, for the back, I think I'm gonna put it in my hands. Yeah, you wanna make sure it's like fully incorporated into your hair. This is gonna get messy. I can feel it all freaking ready. So I'm gonna put it in my hand and I'm gonna just slap it on the back of my head. You wanna like fully saturate your hair. I just wanna make a little note that I'm not a hairstylist. My sister is the hairstylist in the family. But I told her I actually want to do this one on my own because I want to put it on my channel. So hopefully she's not cringing watching this video. Because it's like, girl, why are you doing it like that? Woo! Alright, make sure you don't get this stuff in your eyes. Oh my God. This stuff is dangerous. Okay, I'm gonna turn around, guys. Do I got everything? I hope so. All right, so I'm gonna get my comb and I'm gonna actually comb through my hair because I want to make sure that it's on every strand. I don't. Ooh, all right, it is getting very messy in here. I want to make sure I'm hitting every strand of my hair because I don't want a freaking patch of my hair to be black. That'll look absolutely nuts. And if you are a hairstylist, give me a little tip on how to color my hair a little better with oh damn, with this bottle color. All right, I feel like it's fully saturated. You see, I just messed up my shade. I'm gonna show you guys after. Do not put on your Gucci to color your hair. You will be highly upset. All right, I think that's kind of enough. Make sure you get behind your ears. And just put it all on. I want my hair to be fully saturated. And I can't see the back of my head. I'm definitely gonna make sure I'm like bringing it down there. Don't rub your color in, like rub it into your scalp. You want to be very gentle. Oh, make sure you get them edges, honey. All right. So let me check the time. And we're gonna be back. Oh, one stuff is so messy. It's all it's all over my bathroom, my shirt. I have a little like stain. Put a little cap on just to lock in the heat. I'll see y'all in 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and it's time to wash out. You want to grab your conditioner and, you know, rinse this out really well. I recommend using a comb to even like comb some of the color out. Then apply a generous amount of this conditioner. Leave it on for 3 minutes. Is it 3 minutes? Yes. Leave it on for 3 minutes and then style. So it's all nicely saturated. Now let's wash her out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have here the conditioner. You want to just apply a generous amount all over your hair, especially in the spots where your skin is stained. You want to go in with that. Okay, about to go rinse out again. Are you ready, guys? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. I love it. I think this color is so cute. I feel like I did a nice little job. But we can't just stop right there, honey. We gotta style this up. So, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of conditioner. This stuff is so, I don't know why, but every time I use it, I have to smell it because it smells really good. So I just take about a dab and go down my hair. I like to just spin my hair in one direction to activate my curls. If you go in the same direction, your curls will all go in the same direction. But if you just want to go this way and then this way and this way, like, no, you have to do like a spiral method. And I like to take the excess off sometimes, because sometimes it's just, and then sometimes I gotta remember, go to the right, to the right. You see how my curls are just, ooh, yes. My hair is like, thank you, Tina. Like, I've really been just wearing a lot of wigs lately. So I'll just go in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner along with my NITAH hair collection shea butter. This could be found on her website. We actually just got stock on bigger sizes. So this is the $10 container and I love it so much. You see, I'm already like deep. I need to re-app. It's so smooth and it helps seal in your conditioner. So you just take about a dab, work it in. I also use this on my skin. Oh my God, my skin is so good. Especially if you're prone to having more dry skin or dry hair, this helps. I'm gonna link her website down below for you could get your own. Yes. Okay, if it's a little white, it's okay. You can always dab it with your towel to get like the excess off. But it's not really necessary to do that because the more moisture, the better. And you already put your shea butter on top, so that's gonna help seal in the moisture before you put your gel in. Okay, for my final step of my routine, I like to go in with some gummy gel. So good. Now this gel doesn't smell that good. I like to kind of work fast because it's like, it's not natural. So It's gonna have that more of a chemically smell. I'm giving y'all all my little secrets today for my everyday curly girl routine. Gotta love the curls. Ooh, I really love this color, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's so subtle. Like, it's not really like out there like the other colors that I've done. It's like, oh hey, Burgundy, how you doing, boo? I have something in the oven, so if you see me like looking over to my left, it's because I don't want to burn my pita chips. I had bought some hummus the other day, and I'm gonna tear that up. Hey, get your little toothbrush. No, I don't use this toothbrush for my mouth. I just use it for my edges. Hold on, let me actually check my. Okay, so you want to go and get your toothbrush. I had to go run and go get my pita chips out of the oven. And I just like to, I don't like to like go in too crazy. I just like to clean it up, honestly. Oh, that was the first time I actually wet my toothbrush and did it, and I like it. I don't like it to be like connected, but I like them to be like kind of together. Okay, so there you have it. I'm just adding a little bit more gel. But sometimes more parts that seem to be more like not as soak, you just have to go in and add a little bit more gel. Let me give you a finished look. They do have little curling tools, but my hair is really curly, so I haven't been needed to use the little tool. And yeah. Okay, there you have it. I colored my hair all by myself today, and I am I hope my sister is proud of me, and all you other hairstylists may not be that proud of me, but it's all good. Y'all still might be. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I also hope you try it yourself and see if any of my tricks and tips work for you. It's been real loves. Remember, spread love, peace, and happiness.